Yale Security Assure Lock. Deadbolt, the ultimate smart lock review. If you're looking for a smart lock that combines convenience, security, and seamless smart home integration, the Yale Security Assure Lock Deadbolt might be the perfect solution. This Wi-Fi-enabled smart lock eliminates the need for keys, offers remote access, and even works with your favorite voice assistants. But is it the right choice for your home? In this in-depth review, we'll break down its key features, performance, and real-world usability, helping you decide if this is the smart lock upgrade you've been waiting for. Key features and benefits: key-free convenience and touchscreen keypad. The Yale Assure Lock replaces your traditional deadbolt with a sleek, keyless digital touchscreen. No more fumbling for keys when your hands are full. Just enter your personalized code for quick access. The keypad is backlit, making nighttime entry easy, and it supports multiple user codes, so you can grant temporary access to guests or service providers. Consumer problem solved. Forget about lost keys or hiding spare keys under doormats. With customizable access codes, you can provide secure entry without compromising safety. Wi-Fi connectivity, no hub required. Unlike many smart locks that require an additional hub, this Yale model has built-in Wi-Fi, allowing direct control via the Yale Access app. You can lock or unlock your door remotely, check its status, and even receive notifications when someone enters, all from your smartphone. Consumer problem solved. No need to invest in extra smart home hubs. The built-in Wi-Fi keeps setup simple and cost-effective. Auto unlock and auto lock for hands-free access. One of the standout features is auto unlock, which detects when you approach your door via Bluetooth geofencing and unlocks automatically. Perfect for when your hands are full with groceries or a baby carrier. The auto lock feature ensures your door is always secure after you leave or at bedtime, eliminating forgetfulness. Consumer problem solved. Never worry about leaving your door unlocked again. The auto lock provides peace of mind, while auto unlock makes entry effortless. Voice assistant compatibility. This lock works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, so you can lock, unlock, with a voice PIN for security, and check the door's status using simple voice commands. Alexa can even notify you when the batteries are running low. Consumer problem solved. Control your lock hands-free, whether you're in another room or arriving home. Backup key and battery reliability. While the lock is keyless, it includes a physical backup key in case of battery failure. The lock runs on 4 AA batteries, which last about a year with normal use. Low battery alerts ensure you're never locked out unexpectedly. Consumer problem solved. No more panic if the batteries die. The backup key ensures you always have a way in. How it compares to similar smart locks. Many smart locks struggle with limited voice assistant functionality. Some only allow locking, not unlocking, via Google Assistant, while others force you to choose between Siri or Google Compatibility. The Yale Assure Lock stands out because it allows both locking and unlocking via Google Assistant with a voice PIN. Works simultaneously with Siri and Google. No need to pick one ecosystem. Offers auto unlock via geofencing, a feature missing in competitors like the Nest X Yale Lock or SchlagSense. Additionally, unlike the August Smart Lock, which relies on a separate bridge and has reported connectivity delays, the Yale Assure Lock's built-in Wi-Fi ensures faster response times when checking lock status remotely. Potential drawbacks and mitigations. No product is perfect, and the Yale Assure Lock has a few minor downsides, but most have workarounds. Awkward keypad wake-up. Some users report that waking the touchscreen isn't intuitive. You must tap the bottom left corner, where the checkmark would be, rather than the screen center. Mitigation. Once you get used to it, it's manageable. Consider giving guests a quick demo to avoid confusion. App-based PIN management limitations. Unlike some competitors, Managing PIN codes requires using the keypad rather than the app. This could be inconvenient for Airbnb hosts or frequent guest code changers. Mitigation. If you rarely change codes, this won't be an issue. For heavy users, consider a lock with full app-based PIN management. Auto-unlock reliability depends on phone settings. A few users note that auto-unlock can be inconsistent if Bluetooth or location permissions aren't optimized. Mitigation. Ensure your phone settings allow the Yale Access app to run in the background for reliable geofencing. Final verdict: who should buy this? The Yale Assure Lock Deadbolt is ideal for tech-savvy homeowners who want keyless convenience, families needing secure, customizable access for kids or guests, smart home enthusiasts who prioritize voice control and automation. If you want a reliable, well-built smart lock with no hub required, this is a top contender. Ready to upgrade your home security? Click the link in the description below to check the latest price and see why so many homeowners love this lock. Performance and durability. The Yale Assure lock is built to last, with a satin nickel finish that resists fingerprints and scratches. The deadbolt mechanism is sturdy, and the touchscreen remains responsive even after months of use. In terms of battery life, expect about 12 months per set of AA batteries, longer if you disable features like auto unlock. The low battery alerts ensure you're never caught off guard. Compared to plastic-bodied competitors, the metal construction of this lock adds durability, making it a better long-term investment. Should you buy it? Yes, if you want keyless entry with remote access. You prefer no additional hubs. You need voice control with both Google and Siri. No, if you frequently manage guest codes and need app-based PIN changes. You live in extreme temperatures. Some users report touchscreen issues in freezing weather. Want to hear from real users before deciding? Click the link in the description to read verified buyer reviews and see how this lock performs in everyday life. Final call to action. If you're tired of carrying keys and want a secure, smart, and hassle-free lock, the Yale Assure Lock Deadbolt delivers with Wi-Fi built-in, voice control, and auto-locking features. It's a standout choice in the smart lock market. Don't miss out. Click the link below now to get the best deal on this Yale smart lock and transform your home security today.